Imagine a world where computers dream like humans. Not in binary code, but in vibrant colors, melodies, and stories. This is the dawn of generative AI. Generative AI empowers machines to be more than just tools. They become partners in innovation. Generative AI evokes a similar wonder. It transforms raw data into something new, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Generative AI, at its core, is a form of artificial intelligence that goes beyond simply analyzing existing data. Instead of just recognizing patterns, it learns from them to generate something entirely new. Imagine a child learning to paint. They first observe colors, shapes, and techniques, then they use this knowledge to create their own unique masterpieces. Generative AI operates on a similar principle, but instead of paintbrushes and canvases, it uses algorithms and data. These algorithms, like digital recipes, provide the framework for creation. Data, the ingredients, feed the algorithms, allowing them to learn and adapt. The result? A symphony of possibilities, from realistic images and compelling text to innovative designs and even original musical compositions. One of the fascinating aspects of generative AI is its ability to surprise us. Just like human creativity, it can lead to unexpected outcomes, pushing us beyond the realm of our own preconceived notions. It's like setting sail on an uncharted sea, with the potential to discover entirely new continents of innovation and artistry. The magic of generative AI is powered by sophisticated mechanisms known as neural networks and deep learning. Think of a neural network as a digital brain, loosely modeled after the intricate web of neurons in our own minds. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, each processing small pieces of information. Deep learning takes this a step further. It's like training these digital brains with massive amounts of data, allowing them to recognize complex patterns and relationships. Imagine showing millions of cat pictures to a deep learning algorithm. It would learn to identify the distinct features of a cat, eventually becoming capable of generating completely new, yet realistic, images of felines. This process of learning from vast data sets is what enables generative AI to create outputs that are often indistinguishable from human-generated content. Whether it's writing a poem that evokes real emotion, or composing a piece of music that resonates with listeners, generative AI is blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. From art to science, generative AI in action. The applications of generative AI are as diverse as the human imagination itself. In the realm of art, we're witnessing the emergence of AI artists, creating stunning visuals, composing original music, and even writing captivating screenplays. Imagine walking through a museum filled with masterpieces crafted not by human hands, but by the algorithms of generative AI. But the impact of this technology extends far beyond the art studio. In healthcare, generative AI is aiding in drug discovery, designing personalized treatment plans, and even creating realistic simulations for surgical training. It's like having a tireless medical assistant capable of analyzing vast medical databases to unlock new cures and improve patient care. From optimizing designs in architecture and engineering to revolutionizing customer service with AI-powered chatbots, generative AI is transforming industries across the board. It's like handing powerful tools to builders, innovators, and creators, empowering them to achieve feats once thought impossible. The ethical frontier, navigating the challenges of AI creativity. With great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations that arise alongside its transformative potential. One such concern is the creation of deepfakes, manipulated images or videos that appear deceptively real. While this technology has the potential for entertainment and artistic expression, it also raises concerns about misinformation and the erosion of trust. Imagine a world where seeing is no longer believing, where fabricated evidence could sway public opinion or even influence the outcome of elections. It's imperative that we develop ethical guidelines and safeguards to prevent the misuse of generative AI. Just as we have laws and regulations governing other powerful technologies, we must establish a framework to ensure that AI-generated content is used responsibly and ethically. Embracing the potential. The rise of generative AI is a story of collaboration. Humans and machines working together to reach new heights of creativity. Imagine AI assistants helping us overcome creative blocks, suggesting new avenues for exploration. The impossible becomes possible. Embrace generative AI mindfully for humanity's betterment. Let's use this technology to create a brighter future for all.